In this lesson, we will learn how to solve simultaneous equations graphically. So, how do you solve simultaneous equations graphically? There are two ways you can solve simultaneous equations. One is algebraically, the other one is graphically. So you have learned that one simultaneous equations can be two linear equations, or it can be one linear and one quadratic equation. So if you want to do solve by graphically, then you should know how to plot the linear and quadratic graphs. Say for example, if they give you two simultaneous equations are linear, say one is y is equal to x plus 1 and the other one is x plus y is equal to 3, then you can draw the graph. Y is equal to x plus 1, you can draw the graph. Then x plus y is equal to 3, you can draw the graph. Whatever the 2 points joining, that is the solution for this simultaneous equation. So now we will see how to draw the graph and find the solution for two simultaneous linear equation. So the one linear equation is x plus y is equal to 5. The other one is y is equal to x plus 1. So we need to have a Cartesian plane to draw the graph. Now we need to find some points to draw the graph for y is equal to x plus 1. Similarly, we have to find some points to draw the graph for x plus y is equal to 5. First, we will look at y is equal to x plus 1. So, in order to draw a line, the linear equations will be having a line as a graph. So, in order to draw a line, you need only 2 points. But to make sure you can find more than 2 points. If they won't align, if you won't get a line, that means you are doing something wrong. To make sure, we will be taking 4 points. When x is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, we will find the 5 by replacing the equation. So if you put x is equal to minus 1, you will be getting 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you will be getting 1. If you put 1, you will get y as 2. If you put x to 2, you will get y as 3. If you put x as 3, you will get y is equal to 4. Similarly, you can find the points for x plus y is equal to 5. So similar x points, we can get the y values for this equation as x minus 1, then y6, x0, then y5, x1, y4, x2, y3, x3, y2. So you can draw the line. So the junction, the both lines crossing, is the answer. That is 2, 3. Therefore, x value is 3 and y value is 3 is the solution to the simultaneous equation. Now we will look at how to solve a simultaneous equation, but one is linear, the other one is quadratic. Quadratic means it will have the square term. The maximum is a square term. So here the given the equations, the two equations are y is equal to x squared, that is the quadratic one. The another one, y is equal to x plus 2, is the linear one. As before, we have to have the Cartesian plane to draw any graph. Then you need to consider some points for both of those equations. So if we get the quadratic equation y is equal to x squared, you have to find some points. So you have to place them and you have to find the values. So if you put minus 3 into y is equal to x squared, you will be getting y as 9. If you put minus 2, you will get y 4. If you put x is equal to minus 1, you will get y 1. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 3, you will get y is equal to 9. Similarly, you can get some points for y is equal to x plus 2. So minus 1, then you will get y, x0, then y is 2, x1, y is 3, x2, y is 4, x3, y is 5. Now you can draw the graph. So you'll be getting the graph something like this one. So here the two graphs, cutting point are the answers for this simultaneous equations. So those are, one is this point, the other one is this point. Those are 2 comma 4. X, when x is 2, y is 4, and x is minus 1, y is 1. Both of them are answers to this simultaneous equation.